Hello, it's Nigby. This is the Ace padlock that I got from Know the Bird. I'm going to attempt to do an out of the packet pick on it. Parkinson Picking loves his out of the pack picks. It's appropriate generally with the YouTube lock picking community to open these packets with the most inappropriate dagger going. This is my it's a Hultafors work knife, so I thought this was fairly unsuitable, unlikely to take a finger off or something. So I'm going to try and do it without ruining the packaging too much. As you know, I do like when somebody's, it doesn't matter how good or bad the padlock is, if somebody's gone to the trouble. I was only joking about taking a finger off, but wow. Okay, we got it. So I'll just put that aside. As always, what's going on? Blue text in the way. I thought, first of all, I would try to do it with the little Bugatti rake that he sent me as well, as a true thank you, and just showing off everything that came. I'm not sure if that's going to fit in there though. So what we got? Let's try it with the top of the keyway first of all and see how we go on. It's not really the best thing, and I am not the world's best raker, so I've got some normal picks over there. I can tell I'm having to think and try and talk at the same time. Okay. I've no idea how good this padlock is supposed to be. Not coming close to the top of the keyway. I'm probably in my own way in there. Right, okay. Raking attempt has failed already, as far as I'm concerned. Let's have a go at single pin picking, which is more my bag. Do we look at the key? So what we got? Still attached. Everything's in the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin padlock. Okay, bit of a full set going on there. I don't think that pick's actually deep enough. Let's go for something a little deeper. Interesting. A lot trickier than I was suspecting it was going to be. No wonder I couldn't rake it. Okay, bit more progress there. And click off one. Wow, that was a lot tougher than I thought it was going to be. I don't know if that's because of cheap padlock syndrome or just it's better than I was suspecting. It does say on the back that it's got anti-pick pins. So yeah, there you go. Know the bird. That's my little ace padlock picked. Thanks so much again for the package.